have units that will just tell you drive 50 meters and turn right, to units that will say drive 50 meters and turn right on Old Hope Road, giving you an added function called text-to-speech. That is, the unit will call out the name of the road and announce the name of the point of interest that you're arriving at.
Right.
Some units go further by adding Bluetooth technology to the unit, such that if you have a Bluetooth-enabled phone, you can pair the device with the phone and have hands-free calling. No more going into your bag or into your side pocket or wherever your phone is to answer the call. Just speak through the unit, just as how both of us are speaking now,
right,
and have hands-free calling. As well as some of these units have what is called an FM transmitter, so you can pair the device and hear the instruction, not just from the device, but from the surround system in your car.
Really?
So very interesting functionalities that these different units offer. You even have units that you can speak to, and it carries out your commands.
That's interesting. Now, how do you see this technology expanding, being used in the next 5-10 years, Paul Green? What are the possibilities? That's an interesting question, because right now, surely with mobile phones that currently, Windows Mobile, Palm, and Symbian phones, there's a solution called Garmin Mobile XT. Once that program is downloaded to the phone, the user can acquire JAMNAV and have navigation functionalities across the island. But for the younger population, or maybe some who are young at heart, can utilize functions such as by sending an interesting location to a friend. Let us say I went to a restaurant that I love very much. I can easily send that coordinate to a friend and say, hey, friend, check out this restaurant. This is a nice restaurant. And the friend you have sent the coordinate to can navigate to that location in the future. Yes.
So that's quite interesting applications that you have. When you come to Garmin Mobile PC, Garmin Mobile PC has functionalities via Garmin's website online, where you can see the current weather patterns, as well as a future forecast for 5 days. You can see current flight departures and arrivals at our international airports, as well as a whole range of services that are offered by Garmin Mobile PC. As it relates to tracking, you can now tie these navigation equipment with an existing tracking network to have automatic routes being pushed, and increase and improve operations.
Well, the key thing, it seems to me, is despite the great personal convenience and safety of what you're describing, it's important that this technology be applied to how we do business. And I can see in the service sector, in the distributive sector, having immediate use, eh?
Surely. I wanted pizza the other day, and they told me that they would have arrived in 45 minutes. They took nearly an hour. Why? Because they didn't know where to go. They got lost. If it is that they utilize something like a JAMNAV,
you need never be lost.
They wouldn't get lost, you know. You'll be able to find any location, anywhere, any street, all across Jamaica.
Yes.
With ease. And of course, this thing has gone much further, not just a general release POIs. Remember, there are 15,000 of them.
Right.
We can load customized points of interest. So the Water Resources Authority, they manage all the wells in Jamaica.
Right.
Their POIs are placed in the system specifically for them, for their use, generally for their use.
Yes.
This is not a general release for the public. Similarly, if it was JPS, if you're a Lime, whatever company you are, your Digicel, your Cable and Wireless, you need to monitor all your assets out there. Those assets can be placed into the system, and you can navigate and find them and do whatever you need to do as it relates to your operations. As well as it relates to different corporate entities, we have a sub-product line called JAMNAV Extras, where a corporate logo can be added to the system. You can have corporate jingles being played as a proximity alert. So once you're in, let us say, 300 meters in the vicinity of a location, if you're a KFC, for example, you'll hear the KFC jingle. Right now, we have Island Grill in the system as an extra. We have Avis as an extra, as well as all the JN and JN subsidiaries. So once you're in within 300 meters, you'll hear that corporate jingle being played, as well as you will have access to the phone numbers, the fax numbers, the URLs, and you're even able to see a picture of the place even before you go there.
Yes.
I must mention something about JN, if you would allow me. Jamaica National, they were very interested in our work when we started this navigation project, and they became interested to the point where they became associated with us as it relates to the launch and development of this product. So whilst we are licensed Garmin map developers for Jamaica, Jamaica National, through its subsidiaries JAA, are licensed Garmin dealers in Jamaica.
So you can get the equipment
from them? So you can
them?
go up to JAA or you can get additional information from any JN branch and get a unit out of the box preloaded with Jamaican data from them as well.
And it fits in the normal automobile?
Our main units that are available are PNDs, personal navigation devices. These automotive units are on-dash units that has a suction cap that can be placed nicely on your windscreen.
Very good.
And these things are very interesting because not only does it have an automobile mode, such that you can get navigation directions as an automobile, but it also has pedestrian mode. So you can come out of your vehicle, put it on navigation mode and walk with it, and you get directions as a pedestrian, because a pedestrian can walk the wrong way down a one-way road where cars can't drive in that direction.
You can tell us.
So all of that functionality is there, as well as what we have done because of our work with crime. We have coded the data to avoid crime-riddled areas. So whilst from the University of the West Indies heading to the Norman Manley International Airport, some people might drive down Mountain View Avenue. The system gives you a preferred routing down Camp Road onto Sir Francis Gaspar Boulevard. And similarly, we have avoided other areas such as south of Spanish Town Road.
Don't bother
we are
labeling
not
them.
demonizing these areas.
No, please
if you want to go there, you can go there.
But
there's preferred routing
options
on faster time route calculation to avoid these errors, such that you are kept safe.
Fantastic. New science. Glad it's available locally, encouraging people to step in and to avail themselves. Paul Green, thank you very much. All the best to you.